This is going to be a quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the frozen screen if it ever happens to your Nokia X100. This is Variety Stick and let's find out. Now, for whatever reason, if you have a black or blank screen, or sometimes you feel that the phone make noise but the screen is black, means you have a glitch on the phone, and this is very normal. It happens with most of the phones, Android, even iPhone. For this reason, I'm going to show you this tip, and you just have to follow my tip and hopefully you fix your phone today. So you need to press volume down and power key together. Now this phone doesn't have any problems. I'm just gonna demonstrate this if you ever have this issue. So we need volume down and power. We need to hold both for around 15 seconds. So I have to keep hold on both keys, the volume down and the power, till the phone restarts. So normally when the phone restarts, you should be good to go. Because this phone also didn't have battery where you can remove easily, so it will be harder to take the battery and the back of the phone to restart the phone. So if you do this, it will be about the same thing, and I hope I help you to fix your phone. If I did, you can subscribe to the channel for more videos here on Variety Stick, and you can also encourage me and give me a thumbs up. We'll talk to you in the next video.